Hi guys, welcome to my channel. If your Windows keep installing and some driver then we restart and doing change made your computer and your update is stuck someone. Okay, so how to fix this issue? So first guys, turn off your desktop. If you are using desktop, so you have to forcefully turn off your desktop, and if you are using suppose laptop, so same, forcefully shut down it. Then wait 10 second and then just then wait 10 second and then restart your system. So after the restart, restore your system it, because your 50% updated downloaded and 50% is pending. So click to start, type point, restore point, open it, then system restore, click the next, select any which is old one, means next, and then click to finish. And after that it will take some time, it will restore your, and then again it will start, and then please check it. Okay guys, thank you.